Today we're going to install a new battery on this 2014 Ford Mustang GT. Just made a video of how to remove the battery. Now we're going to install the replacement one there. There is the part number there, 96RDLG. Alright, and we'll go ahead and throw this in. This does have a little lip there. That's going to go right underneath this one here. Just like so. Next we'll grab the strap. The strap will go right down in here, and it has a bolt to it and this little piece of hardware, and that's going to go right down in that hole to secure it down. And we'll use a 9/16 socket to secure this down. Next we'll put on the positive terminal and secure that down with the 5/16, and just make sure it's nice and secured. Put this cover back on. Next we'll put on the ground, or the negative, and we'll secure this down as well with the 5/16. And there you have it. Let's fire it up. All right, there it is. All good to go. No issues whatsoever. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.